Welcome to our submission for the 2022 Hunter Hab Solutions Lab, Climate Change Solutions for Southern Alberta. We are Naima, Arpit, Awani, Jennifer, and Rylan, and we are so excited to share our research and solution.
In 2022, the cost of energy in Southern Alberta nearly doubled, causing many Albertans to seek ways to reduce their energy consumption. With ghost power comprising 20% of household consumption, ghost power being the constant power drawn from any electrical device when not being in use. We're looking for a solution to reduce the amount of ghost energy in households. Additionally, the rising popularity of electric cars in Alberta alerts us to a need for investment into electricity generation, transmission, distribution, and primarily management. And so the energy transition requires a multifaceted approach that offers consumers with opportunities to manage their own electrical consumption and reduce waste where possible. 53% of Southern Alberta's energy comes from the burning of natural gas, and 36% comes from the burning of coal. With the current state of energy in Alberta being largely derived from non-renewable sources, this is where our solution comes in. It is clear that the energy transition needs to be supported by solutions that manage our existing electricity consumption as we stand at a crossroads for a just transition.
Say hi to Plug Out. Our solution is consumer-based. We believe that trying to implement changes on an industrial level is unfeasible for our project scope. So we wanted a product that allows individuals to make their own choices, to make their homes more energy efficient, and to help reduce climate change in their communities. Plug Out is an outlet extension that will automatically unplug electric devices using a physical break in the circuit, stopping the constant draw of ghost energy. Ghost energy, as mentioned before, is the continual energy drawn from electric devices while not in use. And so Plug Out unplugs and stops this according to a user set timer. As well as for extra practicality, the Plug Out has a manual reset that reconnects power outside of the timer set period. The Plug Out timer is powered by a capacitor, which replaces the need for batteries, which have a high environmental impact. The outer shell of Plug Out is made from recyclable materials, which makes it very economic.
The Industry Innovation and Infrastructure Goal aligns with our solution because it is an innovative product that creates a way for older infrastructure to be more sustainable without the need for construction. Our solution also aligns with the Sustainable Cities Goal because it allows all the buildings to be more sustainable. The reduction in energy usage will be widespread through communities. For the Responsible Consumption and Production Goal, our solution aligns because reducing consumption at individual customer level will also reduce overall consumption. And so, who is the target audience?
You are a Southern Albertan who has witnessed the rising cost of electricity in this province. With increased living costs and life in general, you don't want to be wasting 20% of your electric bill just on ghost energy. And so Plug Out is for anyone who wants to decrease their consumption but doesn't want to be unplugging the devices all day. The target audience is so wide for this. Any Southern Albertan who cares about saving money, who cares about safety, and having a more efficient household will be interested in Plug Out. And we are very confident that whoever is watching this falls into this wide target audience.
Now we move on to feasibility. So we came up with 3 different areas for supply chain, inflation, and pull data. All of our necessary supplies to create this product will be sourced within North America to avoid supply chain issues. Next, inflation. Inflation being at 6.9%, most people will say, well, how does that affect your product? Well, fortunately enough, energy prices have been rising at a faster rate than that. And because our product saves energy consumption, we believe our product will be bought by Albertans because it will save them on average $400 per year. Next, poll data shows that over 70% of Albertans care about either reducing their energy consumption or climate change initiatives. Moving on to implementation, we created a 3-step model. First, the development phase, which will take us 12 months, will be research, design, and ultimately making a working model. We're going to test the markets, which will be 6 to 12 months. We're going to work out any kinks or bugs that we have within this product before we fully launch it, which will be similarly to the energy efficiency program that was launched by the Alberta government for LED lighting. Similarly to that, it reduced the cost to the average Albertan to implement an energy saving measure. Thank you for your time today and watching our presentation.
Thank you.